tiger shrimp baked with tomatoes and olives. This is what we will be preparing today. Delicious. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen on this beautiful spring day. For a starter this evening, I'm going to be preparing one of my sweetheart's favorite, baked tiger shrimp with olives and tomatoes. Let's get started. We're going to begin with 2 cups of cherry tomatoes. I have them in different colors. Half I'm going to chop in half and the others I'm going to leave whole. And we have a bird here that's having a temper tantrum. So cute. Will be the base of the dish. Preheat your oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Tomatoes, we're going to add 1 cup of Calabrese olives. 2 chili peppers sliced in half. Season with salt and pepper. Garlic cloves smashed. We're going to remove them after. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes. Leave your oven on because this will be going back. Now it's time to add 8 cleaned and deveined tiger shrimp. And I'm going to say it, if you could only smell my kitchen. Just a little bit of olive oil over the tiger shrimp. Sprinkling of kosher salt. Cook in the oven for 6 to 8 minutes. My dish baked off beautifully. This is going to make a wonderful appetizer for tonight's dinner. I'm going to plate it and taste it for you. Beautiful appetizer, absolutely beautiful. Delicious. It's an absolutely wonderful dish for a summer's night. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Caterina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao!